Alright, so what we got here is a 2024 Mercedes S-Class. It's a hybrid. And what we've done is we've installed the Ghost 2, because a vehicle like this is going to be bound to be stolen by thieves, because these are very sought after vehicles. So now with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system, they will not be able to drive away because they will not know your PIN code, which you can use to start the vehicle. Now, if you turn the vehicle on and try to drive it, so it will say ready, but when you go to drive the vehicle, put into reverse. As you can see, it comes out, and now I can't drive the vehicle. So the engine's off. So no matter how many times they try to drive it, as you can see, it will just cut off, go back into neutral, and they can't drive the vehicle. So what you got to do, you need to enter your code, so that way it will allow you to drive off with the vehicle. This code is fully customizable. You can make it whatever you want, so we'll let you know what you can use. So you enter your code. So ignition on, 1 2 3 4. The engine light will flash 2 times. Now you can turn it on, and now you can put it into gear, and now you can drive off and doesn't cut out. So if you want this installed on your Mercedes S-Class 2024 or the new any other Mercedes S-Class, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.